Happy Thursday afternoon and welcome into Thursday's edition of Kirby's Weather Snapshot with meteorologist Elijah Kirby here in the Duck River Electric Weather Center. This Thursday edition of Kirby's Weather Snapshot is proudly presented by Red's Heating and Air Conditioning out of Shelbyville. Our weather headlines this afternoon. 80s for high temperatures are expected through Saturday. Showers and thunderstorms are expected on Saturday night and into early on Sunday morning. And quiet Easter is on the way for most of us. Now let's go ahead and start off by looking at high temperatures across the region since midnight. Most of us saw highs in the low to mid 80s across the region. Another very warm day for April. Now let's go ahead and look at Futurecast over the next 48 hours like we usually do. Seems like we're just kind of on a roll here every day. But Futurecast here over the next 48 hours. So far today, we've had some high clouds push in the region, and Futurecast has those sticking around through much of the overnight hours tonight. Now you can see early on Friday, could be some isolated showers or thunderstorms off to our north and west. Right now, it looks like that activity will stay away from southern middle Tennessee, but just be aware that we could have maybe an isolated shower, especially the further north and west you go in our area early tomorrow morning. Now, for Friday, it's going to stay fairly dry with a mix of sun and clouds for a lot of us, but then the clouds start to build back in big time as we head towards Saturday morning ahead of our next weather system. And here's that weather system right now. Here's Futurecast showing our next big time system on Saturday evening into the overnight hours along a cold front. Now, this is likely going to be a broken line of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday evening, most likely between 6 p.m. and midnight for a lot of us here. And it will bring us some pretty good rainfall totals between a half inch and 1 inch. Here are the rainfall totals right now from the latest run of Futurecast. So it looks like it's going to be a nice beneficial rain, but still not enough to bust our drought that we have across the area. Overnight tonight, lows will be in the mid 60s for us across the region. And then tomorrow, highs again will be in the low to mid 80s for a lot of us. Here's the next 7 days for us. Good Friday, mostly cloudy skies, high of 83 degrees. Saturday, 83 degrees for the high with showers and thunderstorms, especially in the evening and overnight hours. Easter Sunday, we're going to start clearing out after that cold front passes through, high of 65. And you can see we're going to be a lot more seasonable heading into the new week with highs in the upper 60s and low 70s. Thank you guys for tuning in to Thursday's edition of Kirby's Weather Snapshot. Hope to see you around the same time tomorrow or Friday. Have a blessed Thursday evening.